looks good. You should have a putt. Good birdie. He's out. That works.
Yeah, it's that late flip.
A little long, yeah. All right, hit the last tree out of through the gap. Ooh. There you go, cleaned it up. Hole 3, this one's pretty nice. We got it in the straight pen. It looks like it's elevated. That's gonna work nice. We'll have a good putt. Right here. Nice. Here's one. There's two. Putts. Slide up. Oh. This hole's pretty cool. It's, I would say, a putter shot, pretty straight with a little fade. It's down there in a hole, which is pretty cool. If you haven't noticed out here, a lot of the baskets are either elevated or like lower than actual height, so that makes it kind of tricky on the putting.
That's the line.
So this hole, you got to hit the main gap, and then coming up here, there's this second cluster of trees in the middle, which Ryan almost got through them. He clipped and got over here to the left, but it's still a putt. It's probably right outside the circle.
Good putt. Nice shot.
Ryan's letting me try this, what is it, shimmer or glimmer? A Johnny McRae fuse, because I got the Johnny McRae dry fit. There.
They flip so nice.
Kind of an ace run almost.
Yep, nice shot.
This hole wasn't bad. Elevated basket. Got my pig there. Ryan's buzz back there. Over here's the other placement. You kind of want to do a straight to turnover shot or a forehand. Good putt. Hole 7. This hole can get pretty nasty. You want to go pretty straight, a little hyzer at the end. Kicked out. Both gonna have some tricky up shots. All right, so there's the basket. You gotta shoot through that gap. Ah, right into it. Oh, Yankee Doodle. That'll work.
Yeah, you're fine.
That last hole played a little rough. Took the bogey. Ryan got the par. Now we're on to hole 8. We got a new pin placement here. Straight line. Or you can go with the forehand or a turnover around the left. Let's get it. Nice. This guy burnt rubber on the tee. That's what I was afraid of. Good birdie. Some technical lines out here. If you're not hitting your lines, you're gonna hit trees.
I feel like it was not feeling good. That's a good shot.
That's all I wanted right there.
Curl. Alright, it's not a bad spot though. Oh yeah. Nice shot.
It's clean.
Yeah.
The hole 11's pretty cool. It's kind of a touch shot like you saw forehand. A lot of people go backhand up the center too, but there's just a lot of trees you can hit. But it's definitely there. Yeah, 8-pin's a little shorter. Not much difference of shot. Hoping I got over the logs. Ryan's got a little putt. So is this a signature hole? Hole 12? Got the island, elevated basket. If you don't make the island, you're in hazard, throwing 3. And we're in the B, so it's in the closer spot right on the edge.
Yeah.
Oof. Scared it. I'm gonna throw a couple more. I want to throw a putter.
Nice shot.
Marked it.
Nice.
We had some fun with our putters. We learned that that was the shot for the hole. But the hyzer is consistent. You can play that anytime, especially with the wind. Here's where my raptor landed. Uh-oh, what's this? Shout out Evan Girthy and the Jokery. Little ace run, it was a little low. Lunas were good.
Yeah, that's the crush though.
Good distance.
Come back. Yep.
Alright, so we teed off back there in that hole. And now we're both at the hill here. I'm right there, he's on the slope. And we're trying to get up there. Yeah, that hole ate us up. Well, Ryan took a par. He had a long birdie chance. I took the 6, I believe. Putting for 5 off in the stuff from 50 feet. But yeah, on to the next hole. That one's tough. Mark it down. That was no good. A little left over here. That's what you want right there. Nice chain out from birdie. 15 feet. That hole's pretty straightforward. You throw down this tunnel here. So stable mid. I think he went with the T-Bird 3. I went with the Buzzsaw. But you just want to come down the hill, try and find this little hole here by the palm and have a little putt. If you're still following along, go ahead and like, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Help keeping me make these videos for you guys. Last couple videos haven't been getting the attraction that I've been wanting, but if you guys hit that like and subscribe, it'll help me out a lot. Appreciate you. Still working. Hole 16, par 4, 484 feet. I don't think you can really reach it in the air though. You have to throw down this alley with a low hyzer line and then get a late skip and see where you end up. Coming out the chute, you're gonna come around, you're gonna fall out right over here. You'll find the basket up here by these 2 palm trees. So it's pretty hard to reach in the air. You have to get a lot of ground action and hit the ground up here in the air. Looks like a birdie putt. That's why you bring somebody to play with you, because you don't always play good. I haven't made a putt the whole round. There's the basket for the next hole. You shoot down this tunnel. Let me tee off right up here. You just can't see the basket from the tee pad. This guy. Might give me a long. Alright, Ryan, gotta look. Sick hole here, hole 18. This is a 24 hole layout. I think it says 314. Slightly downhill, and then it goes kind of uphill once you're out in the field.
Yeah, you know me. Late night, all night, don't need no sleep. Hey, hold on. Whole life been right about right now. Whole lot chit chat, can't do that, settle down, pipe down. On the kitchen floor, on the church sauce, young Mike moonwalk. Always been a star in the sky, you did not get tuned out. Hey, I'm flashing, now ratchet. Quick flip it, big mattress, don't ask me, we taxing, new address, can't move backwards. Hold on, yeah, you know me. Late night, all night, don't need no sleep. Hold on, okay now, don't speak. Get down, click down, on God, on me.
Mine landed.
This ain't no feelings, ain't no dreaming, loud when I'm whipping, I ain't turning down the speakers, no. Eyes bloodshot, I've been burning out the daylight too. I got responsibility, so I
She's hidden.
Let's get it, let's get it. I was down bad, no cap, no fit. Hey, no kidding, keep it OG, no rest, no gimmick. Yeah, alright, how the money come, all types, what you fall through, all night, alright, let's get it.
Pretty cool canopy.
Hold on, yeah, you know me. Late night, all night, don't need no sleep. Ay, hold on,
Nice.
okay now, don't know, don't speak. Ay,
This one's a
get down, click down.
long forehand with a skip or a long turnover, but you gotta kind of get lucky. You're teeing off from back here. Can't see the basket from the tee pad. You want to throw it straight and have a long drift to the right. Ooh, that kick might have helped. I don't know. I think that works. That plays nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
There we go. Yeah, this is a good hole. You just want to beat this corner. Keep it low enough you don't hit the branches. I hit the branches, drop me right there in the corner. You tee off from back there. You can come around.
Yeah, good putt.
All right, another cool hole. Long wooded fairway. Par 4, 504. I've had the eagle look on this a time or two. It's tough to get though. You can shoot that gap there, or you can kind of just hope you fight through the trees, or you can push straight out. But either way, you land out there in the retention field and have a wide open approach most of the time. Yeah, good shot.
Still in the
It
field.
wasn't as clean as I wanted. Good approach. He went the rhino, I went with the pig.
Nice.
If you're still tuned in, I appreciate it. Go down to the bottom, hit like and subscribe. Coming into the last hole, hole 24. You get a nice little 214 dead straight shot. Ace run is a must. Last hole. Fun playing with you, Ryan.
Yeah, man. A lot of fun.
Super fun. A little muggy out today, but we got it done. Got all 24 holes in for you guys. Might not have been the best shots, but we made it happen. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, wheel it in there.
Do it. Oh my god.
Good birdie to finish.